What's going on YouTube? Ty from thexking.com. I'm here with my 4th month of blogging seriously, and these are my results, my stats. Excuse me. These stats come from the Jetpack stats that's pretty much built in your blogs. Well, it's not built in, but it's a nice tool to use. And I'm going to show you what's going on the past month of February, what happened, what's going on, what do I think, and what has changed with my blog. So my goal was in October, September wasn't an anomaly. I put a YouTube video on my blog and it's get a lot of traffic. So I didn't really count those stats. But in October, still YouTube videos, but in November I took blogging very seriously, okay? I took blogging very seriously and started putting out content every day. And November I got 1,100 views. December I got 1,200 views. So once January hit, I was expecting to get at least 1,300 views and it go up. But I got 1,015 people to my blog, which is okay. I mean, the first of the year. And this month, all I got was 683 people to my blog this month. Don't know why I didn't get that much traffic this month. It's kind of discouraging a little bit. Should I keep on blogging? But I'm going to still push through and blog. One thing I did do is once the year started in January, I did slow down my posting content. And November and December, I was pretty much doing blog posts a day and hurry and get those ranked. And then January, February hit, I kind of slowed down and did every other day get a blog post. So it'll be a blog post Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. So every other day gets new blog posts. So I kind of slowed down blogging a little bit. But I did put some blog posts. One week I did 7 blog posts in 1 week. So I did a lot of content within these 2 months. And it was having a 5-month-old at home. We had our son, August 29th. So it was kind of difficult to write content with the baby at home, so I kind of just didn't take it seriously. But when I went back to work, that's when I started blogging seriously. And this month is a down month, and it could be because the weather's terrible. It's a short month. If I got maybe 3 or 4 more days in, I probably would have hit maybe 750 viewers, but it has slowed down some. I don't know why, but it has slowed down a little bit, but it's all good. It's all good. I'm gonna keep on blogging. I'm not taking this, and I'm gonna keep on blogging, keep writing content for the blog. So, but if you look at it, I got 683 people to my blog this month. This is the last day of the month I'm making the video. So if I were to put a capture page or a pop-up getting an email address, I'll have 683 people seeing that pop-up. And how many people were opting into that pop-up? So the one thing I did maybe last week of the month, I put in a pop-up on my blog and a notification bar to get free affiliate marketing training on my blog. And then I got some impressions, but I ain't even conversions yet. So that's one thing, because you gotta think about this. I thought about the long game. Let's see how much time I got. I thought about the long game of the blogging, because you get 1,200 views. That's not a lot in a month, but if you had a pop-up or a lead capture page, that's 1,200 visitors seeing that from your blog. So the chances, I mean, the more the merrier. The more people looking at it, the better. But hell, if I had this month with 1,400 people coming to the blog, and let's just say 200 people opt into my list, well, I could have made a sale. If I had the character pages installed back then, but I didn't. So that's my results. I'm not too happy about the results, but it is what it is. Hey, I'm gonna keep on blogging. You don't stop, because you see there'll be good months and bad months. these months was all good, and it starts slowing down. So it is what it is. I'm waiting for the hockey stick growth I've been hearing about from all the top bloggers. It's going to happen. Just keep on writing content, and keep writing and keep writing and keep pushing and keep pushing. Hit that hockey stick growth. So still with the hockey stick growth, I'll do a video review of 4 months of blogging, and I've written a lot of content. I paid for a lot of content as well as my blog, so it's not like I'm writing 1,500, 2,000 words blog posts, but I just have to give it time. And I'm impatient because I'm like writing all this content and doing these videos. It just takes time. Okay, so that's my review. Not review. It's just my stats right now for my blog. If you like the video and you're in a similar situation, let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, that's it for my video. Check out my blog, thexking.com. Check me out where we show how to make money online, blogging, with YouTube, paid traffic, all those things, different mindsets of making money, change different mindsets, how to make money, and how to deal with family and everything like that, about real life. And that's what I'll talk about on my blog. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.